Kill one. Got him? No, what? Oh, yeah, he's on the roof. Oh, got him. You got him. Go, go. Let's go. Behind you. You mother lover. Stole my kill again. Nah, man. Hit him through. Yo, footstep. Is it real? No, that was yours. Hit him.
Enemies ahead.
He's in the house.
Enemies ahead.
Get in his zone. He's gonna be stuck.
Marked a location.
I'm gonna wait for him next to the big rock. Yeah, I'm in the zone. You coming? That's his partner. I knocked his partner. Yeah. He's stuck. I see him.
Enemies ahead.
I got him. Got them both. Did you just jump? Oh, someone's here. Shooting me. He's coming upstairs. Watch it. Molly. Oh, I'm dead. I should have left. I'm so stupid. Why did I not leave? I don't know why. Fuck, man, so stupid. So they're together. I probably saw you outside. Oh shit, they're throwing everything. Keep the shotgun out. Oh shit, he's on the corner of the bottom rock. Did you see him? They're together. Bottom of the. Oh shit, he's gonna raise him. Right there. Shoot him. Yeah. It's okay. Got time on your hand and you go with the shotgun. Alright, get ready. Reload full. Oh, what the fuck? How'd you do that? I didn't even see him on the screen. Oh my god. Alright, I'm done, man. Ah, good day, huh? 2 wins in a row, huh? Alright, later. Bye.